Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we're making a ham glaze using some favorite ingredients: mustard, brown sugar, and what else? That's right, beer. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's the ingredients that you'll need. Start out by unpackaging your ham. I like to start it out baking it with it um, face down and then adding a little water. Heating the oven to 350 degrees and covering it with aluminum foil. While that's going, I'm going to also start my glaze using a little bit of beer, brown mustard, and brown sugar. Go ahead and give that a mix. And thanks so much to my friends for sharing this recipe with me. I'd asked how they had different people how they made it, and one of my lifelong friends said, "Hey, my mama makes it this way." And we'd never tried it, and oh my gosh, it's so good. Go ahead and get that mixed, and while after an hour, go ahead and take the ham out and carefully flip it over on its side. This is a two-person job, and use that glaze and put it onto the ham. We did it on one side because we weren't sure if we were going to like it, and we will regret this decision later because we didn't do the entire ham. I did not heat this up, but you can heat it if you want to. And I was uh, really wanted to see what the taste was going to be. So you can pour it on as well. And then I took the silicone brush and then I went in between each slice of the ham and put it on there as well because I really wanted to coat the ham and get that flavor in there. You can see where I did that here. And then I put it back in the oven for another hour, 30 minutes to an hour. You want the temp to reach 140, 145. This is pre-cooked, and I let it get a little brown, and it was perfect, and this is it plated. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.